So we'll be starting the program. We are delayed by 15-20 minutes. Year 2020-21, a different year. We said, and the secretary report says, Nandi, a new beginning. It means that we have completed this year differently. Started with face mask. We are closing with face mask. And today is the last program, award celebration. Thanks for being here. Please, who are outside, just come inside. Please close the door. It's too hot inside. Please. So now, I request our district governor to call this meeting to order. District Governor Deepak Suman, sir.
I, Lion Deepak Suman, District Governor, 2020-21, call this award ceremony Nandi to order.
Thank you, Governor. The flag salutation by Shiva Prasad.
Good evening, all. Flag salutation. We salute our national flag and pledge our allegiance to the same. Its honor and its glory depend upon the zeal and assiduity with each one of us will shoulder our responsibilities as a good citizen. Its glorious history, written in letters of gold, inspires us to put in good work for the fair name of our country. We declare our unflinching loyalty to our national flag and maintain that its course shall be our course and that each individual amongst us shall make genuine efforts to add to its luster and glory and make it fly proudly aloft in the community of nations.
Thank you, Shiva Prasad. Lion's prayer by Melkote Ramaya Srinivas. Please come.
Good evening, everyone. ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ. ಜಗದ ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿ ನೆಲೆಸಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ನಲಿದಾಡಲಿ, ಈ ಜಗವು ಸುಖದ ಬೀಡಾಗಲಿ, ಜನರೆಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ದೃಢ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮೂಡಲಿ, ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಕ್ಲೇಶ ಕಾಡದಿರಲಿ, ಮಾನವತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಿರಲಿ, ವರುಣದೇವನ ಕೃಪೆಯು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಪಸರಿಸಲಿ, ಹೊಲಗದ್ದೆ ತೋಟಗಳು ಹಸಿರು ಹೊನ್ನಾಗಲಿ, ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳು ಉಸಿರು ನಿರಾತಂಕವಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನು ಪರರು ಕೆಣಕದಿರಲಿ, ಸಜ್ಜನ ಸ್ತೋಮವು ಧೀಮ್ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಧೀಮಂತ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವಾಗಲಿ, ಸಕಲ ದೀನ ದಲಿತರು ಸಂಪನ್ನರಾಗಲಿ, ಜಗದ ಜನಡಿಯ ನೂರ್ಕಾಲ ಬಾಳಲಿ, ಜಗವೆಂದೆಂದು ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಾ ನಲಿಯಲಿ. ಇದುವೇ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮಹದಾಶಯ, ಇದುವೇ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಸದಾಶಯ. ಜನತೆಯ ಹಿತವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಶಯ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, sir. Keep standing for a minute for world peace, a silent prayer for world peace. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Srinivas, sir. And now we have an inauguration dance, a prayer dance by Dr. Shalmili. Please come out the dash, Shalmili. Dr. Shalmili. She will be dancing to her own voice. Am I right? Okay, it's changed now. Come, Shalmili. She's the daughter of Dr. Savita. She's there. Could you just stand up, Savita? Yeah, she's the daughter of Savita. Come on, Shalmili, it's your time. Wonderful performance, Shalmili. Thank you. Now I call upon District Governor, IPDG. Sorry if I missed to go on saying District Governor. Immediate past District Governor. I think we can light the lamp there and come up to the stage. And all the dignitaries. Rajshekhar sir, Nagaraj sir, District Governor Manohar sir, Manohar Nambiar sir, International Director Vamshidhar Babu sir. We had made all arrangements, but we forgot the lamp in the beginning. That's the reason it was delayed. Sorry for that.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೇ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೇ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಡೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು.
Request the dignitaries to just take over the place on the dais, please. We'll be standing a small stage program. Ajit, please come. Thank you. The opening remarks and welcome by District Governor, the IPDG Deepak Suman. Once again, sorry. IPDG Deepak Suman, sir. It's your time. Welcome and address.
ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಅಲಯನ್ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ವರ್ಷ 2021 ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾದ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ವಿಚಾರವಾದವಾಗಿ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದವಾಗಿ ಕಳೆದಂಥ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಲೈನ್ ವಂಶೀಧರ್ ಬಾಬುರವರೇ, ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಮನೋಹರ್ ನಂಬಿಯಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಮೊದಲನೇ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ ರಾಜಶೇಖರಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ಎರಡನೇ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರಾದಂಥ BS ನಾಗರಾಜ್ರವರೇ, ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಸಂಪುಟ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರೇ, ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಖಜಾಂಚಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಅಜಿತ್ ಬಾಬುರವರೇ, ಗ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಬಾಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನ್ರವರೇ, ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೀಮ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು LCF ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಲೈನ್ ನರಸಿಂಹಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರೇ, ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಷರರ್ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ರವರೇ, PR ರಾಜು ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಅವರೇ, ರೀಜನ್ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಝೋ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್, most importantly, my club, our club, president, secretary and treasurers. You are the backbone for that district, I'll tell you. The entire year will goes which the district wanted to proud any time because of how our club officers gives a strength and support to the district. The entire year has been gone so well, I'll tell you. I was satisfied for the whole year of 2021. I, behalf of you all, my wholeheartedly welcome our international director, Line Vanshidhar Babus, for this evening for the award function. The successor and going to be incoming governor for 21-22. I wholeheartedly welcome Line Manohar Nambiar, sir. First Vice District Governor. In all my career and the journey as a first VDG and second VDG, that during DG time, well supported to me, Line Rajshekar, sir, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. As part of part of my family of Bangalore Jai Mahal, as leader with a par excellence, the encyclopedia. In my during tenure and the before, even after, always he stood with me to correct whatever way we wanted to be learned. Is only Lion B.S. Nagara, second Vice District Governor. Hello, heartily welcome you, sir. I'll keep telling you, always I've been mentioning one word is a friends, yes. The family of the Cabinet Secretariat. I never felt as my DG or DCT or DCS, no. The friendship it makes her to be happy, and the service and the togetherness is a sacrifice for the whole year. Our District Cabinet Secretary, Lion Arvind Shetty, the amount of effort put in by my treasurer, we honor you, your service above and beyond. Lion Ajit Babu. Respected leaders in the audience, I forgot to mention my DG coordinator, Lion G. Venkatesh sir, Lion Bernard Shetty sir. As I mentioned, beginning also I used to mention, it not be a successful for the year, must be a satisfied. Friends, once we go together, we all have to be stand together. How we have been, the year has been succeeded. When I wanted to have my club officer schooling, the day was terrible. When we putting in the PST's group, immediately the call responded to me for the 5 calls, ಏನಾದರೂ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Immediately the leadership given me idea, why can't I have a region wise PST schooling to keep everyone away, let them stay home, stay safe, stays in faith. That's all we have learned as a whole entire year, I'll tell you. The 15th of August, they given me a freedom to everyone to joining with the Lion Srinivas Murthy, region chairperson, brought into the limelight to the district for the environment program. That's we have been started with the proudly, can come out, do something for the society. The entire year we should not be forget our hunger team. Hunger team, they have done wonderful job the entire year. Also the LCHF, it will go on. It will go only by the awards today. Whatever we are receiving today awards, let us have everyone to be kindness with the satisfy. That's the most important. With these words, I wholeheartedly welcome each and everyone here today to let us celebrate and rejoice this award ceremony for this evening. Thank you. Long live Lionism.
Thank you, Governor. There are a lot of Lion stars over here. Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty sir here. Welcome you, sir. And I welcome on behalf of Governor each and every dignitaries over here. Gopal Shetty sir has come. Please come in, sir. And the next part is releasing of annual secretary report. We are compiled with a book. It's a new beginning, what I said, as I said, Corona year. And we have made a booklet with beautiful photos, a book to be preserved for lifetime. And I request our international director, Vamshidhar Babu, to release it. And Mohan sir is there. I request Lavanya and Bernard Shetty to come over, please. They are the people who have compiled this, and printing was done by Mohan sir. Bernard, please come. Lavanya. Mohan sir is there? Okay, right. Sir, it's your time, sir. Thank you, sir. And this book is available outside in the counter. All the PhDs will get a book of this, and all the district chairpersons will get a book. Please collect it from Ravichandran sir there. While going back, otherwise it will be thrown here and there. And I request International Director to address the gathering.
Presiding Officer, immediate past District Governor Deepak Suman, other distinguished leadership on and off the dais, and my dear fellow Lions in the cause of service. A very good evening to all of you. Ellarigu namaskara. Friends, like Deepak said, the year 2021, a lot of people like to call it difficult, but like Deepak said, it's different. This fiscal year 2020-21 taught us to do a lot of things which you would not even imagined of doing, including having our international convention on a virtual platform. Friends, it's my pleasure to be part of this awards function today. Awards are a token of appreciation, a reward given to those in recognition of achieving something which is greatly wanted. So whatever district governor wanted to do in the year 2021, all of you cabinet officers and club officers have put your hands together and helped him achieve his goals and dreams. So today, all those who contributed are going to be rewarded. Friends, success does not lie just in the result, but I think the effort we put into the work we do matters more. The measure of achievement is not only winning awards, it's always doing something which is close to our heart. The day you get an award, a lot of awards are won, but the actual feeling, the happiness comes when all those sitting around, sitting in the auditorium, start applauding you for getting that award. When you get an award, it is an opportunity, it is a motivation for you to do more in the next year. It doesn't matter how many times we receive an award, it is always special. I would like to take this opportunity to compliment the cabinet officers of 2021 and all the club officers for the wonderful work you have done in the difficult and different year. My compliments and best wishes to each one of you. My advance congratulations to all those Lions and Lion leaders who are going to be rewarded for what they have delivered in the last year. Friends, good people give us happiness, bad people give us experience, worst people give us a lesson, and best people give you memories. I'm happy to part of this program and happy to inaugurate this awards function. Thank you very much. Long live Lionism. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Amji sir. Please be standing for a while. This award ceremony we have planned in a different way. We have made it into 4 parts: inaugural session, and then the first category award. First category award is for the PSTs, and the second category award DCs, and third category for ZCs, RCs, GAT team, and LEOs. And the final award is the Diamond Award category. That's how we have planned. So the 4th session, our chief guest Nanda Kumar will be joining us also. To begin with, we will start with top 10 blood donation, then we will go down, sir. There are 2 awards. Akash Suvarna, you're there? I would like to mention, all these awards of blood donation is sponsored by Akash Suvarna. Apart from doing a wonderful job, this is what he has done. And I should say it then, but I would like to mention the total fellowship is organized by Akash Suvarna. And the senior man sitting there, Narayan sir, I think he's 83, I believe. The amount of energy he's having to work for Lionism, he himself has scrutinized each and every e-scrapbook, and he has sponsored the awards for each and every scrapbook club. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for that. And I request...
Good evening, Lions. Presiding Officer, Immediate Past District Governor Lion Deepak Suman, and all my dear friends here. The year 2020-21 was a very challenging year with regards to blood donation. But in spite of all the pandemic and all the difficult times, we've been able to collect about 6,105 units. It was indeed a very tough time, but on this occasion, I would like to appreciate the support given by all the clubs. Out of the total 64 clubs, 49 clubs have done the blood donation campaign, and each and every unit collected, I dedicate to the Lions of our district. Thank you very much. Sorry, I just missed out. And on this occasion, like I said, we had a good campaign. I appreciate the dedication of our own staff of the Lions Blood Bank. Thank you very much.
Akash, you can move towards the center. I'll just read out the top 10 clubs in blood donation. To begin with, LCB Sanjay Nagar. I think request the president to come over. The Jitendra of Lionism of District 317F. Narayan. Next is Aditya Nagar. After that, Chintamani. Then Chikballapur. Come in order, please. Aditya Nagar next. Next is Chintamani. Please be there. Chikballapur. Chintamani bandila. Anybody from Chintamani there? Bro, Chikballapur. Shikshana. Lions Club of Shikshana. The President Jyoti Thomas. Next is LCB Jayamal. This is Lions Club of Bangalore Shikshana. Jayamal Shivaprasad and yes. Next is LCB Hennur Aravind Nagar. Next is Pinya Dasaralli. Pinya Dasaralli. Yes, this is Jayamal over there on the stage. Last year, Region Chairperson R.K. Hegde and the President of Lions Club of Bangalore, Jayamal, Shivaprasad. Mahendra Singh sir, please come sir. Pinya Dasaralli. Pinya Dasaralli. Hennur Aravind Nagar. Next is Hennur Aravind Nagar. Mohan, 1 minute, wait. A very energetic team with a strong leader. Yes, thank you sir. Pinya Dasaralli. Our last year RC. And President Mohan over there and the team. Congratulations, sir. And next is LCB Metro. LCB Metro. LCB Metro. Yeah, Akash Surana's club. Yeah, please, Bangi, a little fast. Please. We have 497 awards to be given today. But it will be very easy and simple. LCB Metro, again RC, Simha Shastri over there. And last year President, Nagraj Kini. And he himself DC for blood donation, Akash Suvarna. Thank you, sir. Now I request our LCF coordinator, last year LCF coordinator, Vijay Kumar to just come out to the dais. There are only 2 awards of LCF. This is specially recognized. LCF awards, this is specially recognized by LCF coordinator Vijay Kumar, and he has sponsored this award. Over to Vijay Kumar.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಪ್ರಿಸೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ಸುಮನ್ sir, and all the dignitaries on the dais and my dear friends. Once again, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all the lions of this district, the club officers, zone chairpersons, region chairpersons, the GAT team, the secretariat, our IPDG Deepak Suman, and of course our international director Amshidhar Babu for supporting our Lions Clubs International Foundation. Our district, though it is a small district in the multiple, was able to promote 75 MJFs and PMJFs, and also 10 clubs for taking the pledge for becoming a model club. This has put our district in number 2 position in the multiple, and most importantly, number 2 in whole of India. So, congratulations for all the Lions and the clubs in supporting the LCF cause. As told in the beginning of the last fiscal year that I would recognize the zone chairperson as well as the region chairperson who brings in maximum number of MJFs and PMJFs. In that context, I would like to call upon R.K. Hegde from region 1 for promoting 21 MJFs and PMJFs, followed by Venkata Narasimhalu from the same region, from Seshadri Club. As a zone chairperson, he was instrumental in bringing in 13 MJFs and PMJFs. Please give them a big round of applause. In the same way, please continue your support to LCF in the coming years also. Thank you very much.
RC and ZC.
Dear Lions of Lions District 317F, indeed I am very happy in the year 2021. A small way of our contribution toward LCIF. Maybe start from the $10.
Thank you, dignitaries. You can be seated at the front row. And we will be calling you now and then.
$1,000
Rajshekar sir, please be there. Nagaraj
Made a
sir,
big difference in the society.
you have some more punishment to stand
You
over
are
there.
Amazing people
Manar
around
bhai,
me,
you can sit there.
supported
It's
so
a due to
well.
respect. So we have not kept any chairs over there. It's not a punishment. Yeah.
To our foundation. You know all about foundation, what we do. But small way of our contribution, we received a lot in the year 2021. I know words to express. You are the amazing people who have been contributed so well. Your contribution has come back immediately after a week's time. Supported various hospitals and dialysis centers and the ambulance, and so on. Thankful to my secretariat, Lion Arvind Shetty and Ajit Babu. Most importantly, Lion Vijay Kumar as LCF coordinator. The brain behind this, our international director, Amshidhar Babu sir, and Lion Murugan and Vijay Kumar Raju, given us an opportunity to contribute and celebrate yourselves as a rejoice in the serve of the year 2021. As we have contributed in a small way, it's made a big difference and a miracle year. I wholeheartedly thank each and everyone for kind contribution. Thank you. Long live Lions.
My dear fellow Lions in the cause of service, greetings and good wishes. Fiscal year 2021 has been a very different year. We Lions have delivered the most in these difficult times. Our Lions have contributed the most to our foundation, Lions Clubs International Foundation, this year. We have in total contributed more than $75,000 from our district. Lions Clubs International Foundation during the first wave gave emergency grants of $10,000 for every district. During the second wave, LCIF came forward to give back all the money that we donate to LCIF starting from 23rd of April 2021 to be spent on COVID infrastructure and consumables. Our district governor came forward and gave 3,50,000 rupees from the cabinet officer's contribution, which was unutilized this year. Lions District 317F Service Foundation gave 2,48,000. In addition to this, we received 2 lakh rupees from our multiple, which again was unutilized by the multiple because of the pandemic. Lions Club of Bangalore North came forward and donated 1,35,000, and LC Dodbalapur gave 60,000 rupees. This total amount of rupees 9,93,000 was leveraged to raise a total amount of rupees 35 lakhs, which came from Lions who came forward to become MJFs, PMJFs, and the Lions Share Program contributors. All this money, 35 lakhs, was sent to LCIF and got back for COVID support. With this money, we have donated 1 ventilator and 2 BiPAP machines to St. Martha's Hospital, 1 dialysis machine and 2 oxygen concentrators to Dodbalapur Dialysis Center run by Lions Trust, 3 BiPAP machines to Mother Teresa Hospital, 3 BiPAP machines to Church of South India Hospital, 3 oxygen concentrators to Lions Club of Bangalore North, which would be used along with the other concentrators we have in our oxygen bank, 1 ambulance and 2 BiPAP machines to Sri Krishna Sevashram Hospital. We have 1 more ambulance to be procured and donated. Under this scheme, our multiple has contributed and got back 105,000 US dollars, equivalent to rupees 76 lakhs, out of which our contribution, the contribution of District 317F, has been 35 lakhs. I would like to take this opportunity to compliment District Governor Deepak Suman and District LCIF Coordinator Vijay Kumar for their untiring efforts. My heartfelt, sincere thanks to Lions District 317F Service Foundation, Lions Club of Bangalore North, Lions Club of Dodbalapur, and above all, the wonderful Lions of our District 317F who have come forward to support this noble cause. Thank you very much. Long live Lionism. Jai Hind.
We serve as one, empowered with action we are strong, Lions together as one. We are one, with the heart and power of service we move. We are empowered to be where there's a need. Yeah. Whoa, we are the Lions. Whoa, we serve. Whoa, we are the Lions. Whoa, when we serve, every cry should be heard, and every tear should be wiped. So we serve, we serve. Yeah. Whoa, we are the Lions. Whoa, we serve.
Okay, as some serious business over there. We wanted to have a festival mood, and you will come back. A lot of service activity happening over there. Now I'll just brief about the award ceremony. The first part, the category 1 award, is for the club awards, and this will be called in alphabetical order, A, and it continues as such, and 7 category awards will be given at a time, and PSTs can come over and be here, and no need of taking mobile photographs because we have a photographer and each and every photos will reach you. So there is no need to take a mobile photographies also. It will reach you. And we have a virtual provision also. He's already there. Thanks to Bernard, who has sponsored for this 10,000 rupees for the YouTube relay, virtual relay. Thank you, Bernard. And before missing, I wanted to thank Raju Chandrasekhar, who has contributed for today's function, and also Chinnappa Thomas. Thank you. And the next part will be read by our past DCT, Ajit Babu and Priya Ajit.
Club Awards. Lions Club of Bangalore, Adarsha. Okay, Lions Club of Adarsha, the president, T.K. Shivabirappa, is getting a silver award. Lion T. Venkoba Rao, the secretary, is getting a silver award. Treasurer Pratap Raju is getting a silver award, and the club is getting a silver award. Lions Club of Bangalore, Akshaya, please come fast. Lions Club of Bangalore, Akshaya, President Dr. K.C. Ballal is getting a gold award. Secretary Deepak Kumar is getting a silver award. Treasurer Sujata Ballal is getting a silver award. The club is getting a silver award. And for blood donation, club is getting a gold award. Permanent project, club is getting a gold award. Next, Lions Club of Bangalore, Anubandha, please be ready. Lions Club of Bangalore, Anubandha. President Shashireka Narayanaswamy is getting a gold award. Secretary Chandrika Rao is getting a silver award. Treasurer P. Hariharan, silver award. Scrapbook, silver award. Blood donation, gold award. And the club is getting a gold award. After taking the award, you can go out from this side so that you can get the bag there to put your awards. Next, Lions Club of Bangalore, Birds Paradise. Bangalore Birds Paradise. President Ameli is getting a silver award. Secretary Veena Das is getting a silver award. Treasurer Sheila Shekhar Shetty is getting a silver award. Gold for the blood donation, and club on the whole is getting a silver award. Next, Bangalore Brigade. Lions Club of Bangalore Brigade. Lions Club of Bangalore Brigade, President is getting a silver award. Secretary Ramesh is getting a silver award. Treasurer Sumant is getting a silver award. And the club is getting a gold award. Next, Bangalore Champions. Lions Club of Bangalore Champions. President R. Padmanabhan is getting a silver award. Secretary Ramesh Chand Jain is getting a silver award. Treasurer M. Shivashankar is getting a silver award, and the club is getting a silver award. The boxes for these awards are available outside. If anybody wants the boxes, you can take it from outside. Yeah. Please collect the box, otherwise the awards will get damaged. Please collect the box outside. Next, Lions Club of Bangalore, City Anand. Lions Club of Bangalore, City Anand. President R. Narayan Gupta is getting a gold award. Secretary Anukul Jain is getting a silver award. Treasurer Lion Vikas Agarwal is getting a silver award, and the club on the whole is getting a gold award. Yeah, they are also getting the award for the Oxygen Bank. Next, Lions Club of Bangalore Cosmos. Lions Club of Bangalore Cosmos. President Sindhu Rajesh is getting a gold award. Secretary Bindu Binesh is getting a silver. Treasurer Rati Rajkumar silver. Scrapbook silver. Blood donation gold, and club on the whole gold award. Arjun, you forgot you're from Cosmos. When I'm calling out the club names, all the club officers and anybody from the club can come to collect the award. All of you please come. Next, Lions Club of Chikbalapur. Lions Club of Chikbalapur. President Dr. Mahesh is getting silver. Secretary Lion Brahmachari is getting silver. Treasurer Bhadrachalam is getting silver, and the club is getting a silver award. Lions Club of Chintamani. Lions Club of Chintamani. President Sharath is getting silver. Secretary Venkat Ratnam is getting silver, and Nagavikas Treasurer is getting silver. Lions Club of Devanalli. Lions Club of Devanalli. Next, Bangalore Fame, please be ready. Lions Club of Devanalli, President B. Manjunath, Silver Award. Secretary Lakshmi Narayana, Silver Award. Treasurer Shankar, Silver Award. Blood Donation, Gold Award. Permanent Project, Gold Award. And the club is on the whole getting a Gold Award. Lions Club of Bangalore Fame. Lions Club of Bangalore Fame. President Tulu Dev is getting a silver. Vinod Chandran, Secretary, gets a silver. Treasurer Rohit Radhakrishnan gets a silver. Blood Donation Gold, and Club Award Silver. Lions Club of Bangalore Freedom Park. Freedom Park. President Vinod Kumar is getting a Gold Award. Secretary Paul Emmanuel is getting a silver award. Treasurer Pradeep Kumar gets a silver. Scrapbook silver. Blood Donation Gold Award, and the club is getting a silver award. Next, Lions Club of Bangalore Gelera Balaga. Lions Club of Bangalore Gelera Balaga. President Suprabhat. Lions Club of Bangalore Gelera Balaga. President Suprabhat gets a gold award. Secretary Sharat Chandra gets silver. Treasurer S. Manjunath gets silver. Blood Donation Gold Award, and the club on the whole gets a gold award. Please put your hands together. Please encourage.
The Lions Suprabhat, the new president of Gelera Balaga.
Next, Gokula.
The Gelera Balaga for the year. The newly born baby, but they are wonderfully, particularly the activities. Tremendous team of Gelera Balaga. They are doing wonderful job for the entire year. They have done within the 8 months of the time. Thank you, Lions.
Next, Lions Club of Bangalore Gokula. President Prabhakar Naidu gets silver. Secretary George Jacob Gold Award. Treasurer Suresh Silver Award. Blood Donation Gold Award, and club gets a silver award. Lions Club of Bangalore Gokula. Lions Club of Gauri Bidnor. Lions Club of Gauri Bidnor. President Shrenik gets a gold award. Secretary Sridhar gets silver. Treasurer Jagannath Reddy silver, Permanent Project Gold Award, and the club gets a gold award. Next, Lions Club of Hebbal, please be ready. Hebbal. Lions Club of Bangalore, Hebbal. President Jagdish K gets a gold award. Secretary Manoj Kumar silver. Treasurer Anand Natraj silver. And the club gets a silver award. Lions Club of Hebbal. Lions Club of Hebbal has contributed 11 hunger programs throughout this year. Members of Hebbal, please join. Next, Hennur Arvind Nagar. Lions Club of Bangalore, Hennur Arvind Nagar. President Mohan Kumar gets a gold award. Secretary Loknath Pota silver. Treasurer Kanakaraj silver. Scrapbook silver award. And the club gets a gold award.
That year Annadato Sukhi Bhava, the entire year the Hennur Arvind Nagar the effort, they can't forget in the lifetime, I tell you. Thanks to Lion Rajanna and Ramaji sir, Srinivas Murthy, especially Golden President of the Year is our Mohan.
Next, Hoskote, please be ready. Lions Club of Hoskote. President Shanmugam gets a gold award. Secretary S. Mahesh gets silver. Treasurer V. N. Manjunath silver. Scrapbook silver. Blood donation gold. Permanent project gold. And the club gets a silver award. Bangalore JC Nagar. President gets silver. Secretary gets silver. Treasurer gets silver. And the club gets silver. Lions Club of Bangalore, Kalyan Nagar. Kalyan Nagar. President Venkat Swamy gets silver. Secretary Rajgopal gets silver. Treasurer Vinayagam gets silver. And the club gets a silver award. Lions Club of Bangalore, Kanakanagar. Kanakanagar. President Vijesh Pillai gets a gold award. Kanakanagar, President Lion Vijesh Pillai gets a gold award. Secretary Pramod Pawar gets silver. Treasurer D.K. Tiwari gets silver. Blood donation gold and club gets a silver award. Please don't put your awards directly into the bag. Please collect the box, put your awards in the box and put it in the bag. Otherwise you will damage the awards.
The entire year, one more hunger team in the Kanakanagar. Thanks to Lion Nagaraj Shetty.
Next, Lions Club of Bangalore, Kumara Park. Please be ready. Kumara Park. Lions Club of Bangalore, Kumara Park. President Renuka Karjatkar gets a gold award. Secretary Suresh Karjatkar gets a gold award. Treasurer Sanjay Nadgir gets a gold award. Scrapbook, they get a gold award. Blood donation, gold award. Permanent project, gold award. And club gets a gold award. Everything is a gold award.
I request Lion Narayan, please do come onto the stage, please. Lion Narayan sir, David Banni.
Yes, full of gold awards. Kempegowda International Airport.
Friends, this year we have taken a call to club ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಲೈನ್ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿವಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಸರಿ ಅದು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಆಗಿ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
Next, Kempegowda International Airport. President Lion Lingappa gets a silver award. Secretary Ashwath Narayan Swami gets a silver award. Treasurer Prakash gets a silver award.
Thank you so much.
Blood donation gold award. Club gets a silver award. Kempegowda International Airport. This is Lions Club of Bangalore, Kempegowda International. Kodigehalli, please be ready. Next, Kodigehalli, please be ready. Lions Club of Bangalore, Kodigehalli. President Deepthi gets a gold award. Secretary Loknath gets a silver award. Treasurer PK Biju silver award. Blood donation gold award. And the club gets a silver award. Lions Club of Bangalore, Kodigehalli. Next, Bangalore Malleshwaram Heritage, please be ready. Malleshwaram Heritage. President MV Sampath Kumar gets a gold award. Secretary Vani Raju gets a gold award. Treasurer PSS Raju gets a silver award. Blood donation gold award. And the club gets a gold award. Lions Club of Bangalore, Malleshwaram Heritage. Gold, gold, silver, gold and gold. Chikbalapur is here, LC Chikbalapur. LC Chikbalapur. President Dr. Mahesh gets silver. Secretary Brahmachari gets silver. Treasurer Bhadrachalam gets silver. And the club gets a silver award. Next, Bangalore Maruti Sevanagar, please be ready. President PK Jacob gets a gold award. Secretary PK Joseph gets a silver. Treasurer Bojraj Shetty silver. Club gold, blood donation gold award, and the club gets a silver award. Lions Club of Bangalore Maruti Sevanagar. Metro, please be ready. President gets a gold. Secretary gets silver. Treasurer gets silver. Blood donation gold, and club gets silver. Next, Lions Club of Bangalore Metro. President Nagraj Kini gets a gold award. Secretary Rajanna gets silver. Treasurer Ramesh Bangera gets a gold award. Scrapbook silver. And the club gets a gold award. Lions Club of Bangalore Metro. Lions Club of Nelamangala. Lions Club of Nelamangala. President Jay Prasad gets a gold award. Secretary Hemant Kumar gets silver. Treasurer Rajendra Prasad silver. And the club gets a silver award. Next, Lions Club of Bangalore North Lioness. North Lioness.
The entire Bangalore on 22nd of April, oxygen bank has been served to the society Lions Club of Bangalore Metro with the help of Lion Simha Shastri. Thanks to Lion Simha Shastri for the same.
North Lioness. President Rati CG gets a gold award. Secretary TS Reshma gets silver. Treasurer Sudha Baswaraj gets a gold award. Scrapbook silver. Blood donation gold. And the club gets a gold award. Lions Club of Bangalore North Lioness. President gets a gold, secretary silver, treasurer gold, scrapbook silver, blood donation gold, and club gets a gold award. Lions Club of Bangalore NRI layout. NRI layout, President Suresh Kumar gets a silver, Secretary Natarajan gets a silver, Treasurer Munraj Gowda gets a silver, blood donation gold, and club gets a silver award. Anybody from LCB NRI layout? NSC Bose, next NSC Bose, Lions Club of Bangalore NSC Bose. President Yeshudas gets a gold award. Secretary Anthony Gnanaprakash gets a silver, Treasurer Dodamani gets a silver, blood donation gold, and the club gets a silver award.
I recognize the presence of our past district governor, Gantt ambassador, and Satyan Raju sir in the evening today.
Good evening, everybody. Lions Club of Bangalore Orchards. Lions Club of Bangalore Orchards. President Lion B. Srikanta Reddy with a silver award. Secretary Lion Sanjay with silver award. Treasurer Lion Baira Reddy with silver award. Blood donation camp gold award. And the club is awarded with a silver award. I request members of Bangalore Orchards to please come forward. Lions Club of Bangalore, Peenya Dasaralli. Peenya Dasaralli, please be ready. President Lion Mahinder Singh with Gold Award. Secretary Lion Thurai Singham with Gold Award. Treasurer Lion Arun Kumar with Silver Award. Scrapbook Silver Award, and the club on the whole they get the Gold Award. Congratulations to Lions Club of Bangalore, Peenya Dasaralli. Lions Club of Bangalore, Peenya Ashwantpur, please be ready. Peenya Ashwantpur.
It's the amount of the president and his team effort for the year is a marvelous. Whenever we call, anytime, they are the first step to be coming for the service activity. Thanks to President, most importantly, the RC. Together they have come. Than that, the ZC, he has not come today. I will go to meet him with the award also and going to hand it over later. Thanks to the techie in the entire district in the club, our senior.
Congratulations. Please put your hands together to Lions Club of Bangalore, Peenya Ashwantpur. President Lion Suresh Babu with the Gold Award. Secretary Lion Krishnamurthy with the Silver Award. Treasurer Lion Mahesh with Gold Award. Scrapbook Silver Award. Blood Donation Camp Gold Award. Permanent Project Gold Award. And the club has been awarded the Gold Award.
As a humble president and the gold-hearted president also for the year in the FP 94.
Lions Club of Bangalore, Pratiksha, please be ready. Bangalore, Pratiksha. I call upon President Dr. S. Ganapati with Lion Dr. S. Ganapati from Pratiksha, bagging the silver awards. Secretary Lion Kiruba Iris with Silver Award. Treasurer Lion Clement Babu, Silver Award. Scrapbook, Silver Award. Blood Donation Camp, Gold Award. And the club is given the Silver Award. Please put your hands together to Lions Club of Bangalore, Pratiksha. Lions Club of Bangalore, Pyramid. Lions Club of Bangalore, Pyramid. We have President Lion Dr. Paul Prakash Kumar, who is bagging the Silver Award. Secretary Lion Gerard Majela with Silver Award. Treasurer Lion Dominic with Silver Award. Blood Donation they are bagging the gold award and the club is awarded the silver award. Huge round of applause to Lions Club of Bangalore Pyramid.
One small announcement. One small announcement. Car number KA04MM3275 Hyundai is obstructing the way. Kindly go and remove your car, please. Car number KA01MK5842 Hyundai again. Please go and remove your car. It's completely obstructing the traffic there. KA04MM3275 KA01MK5842.
I now invite Lions Club of Bangalore Queen's Park with President Lion Dr. Shobha, who is bagging the silver award, Secretary Lion Shaila Ramamurthy with gold award, Treasurer Lion Shakila Napoleon with silver award, Scrapbook silver award, Blood Donation Camp gold award, and the club is awarded the silver award.
If you have the keys, please hand it over. The valet parking person is here. If you have the key, kindly hand
Lions
it
Club
over.
of Bangalore RT Nagar. Lions Club of Bangalore RT Nagar. Lions Club of Bangalore RT Nagar, President Lion Dr. Venkatesh. Lions Club of Bangalore RT Nagar, President Lion Dr. Venkatesh with silver award, Secretary Lion Jivanan silver award, Treasurer Lion P. Ramesh Rao silver award, Scrapbook silver award, Blood Donation Camp gold award, and the club is receiving the gold award. Huge round of applause to Lions Club of Bangalore RT Nagar. Congratulations. Lions Club of Bangalore Royal Palace. Thank you. Lions Club of Bangalore Royal Palace, President Lion Dr. Shiv Kumar is bagging the silver award, Secretary Lion Venkateshwar Reddy with silver award, Treasurer Lion Dr. Chandrasekhar with silver award, and the club is bagging the silver award. Huge round of applause to Lions Club of Bangalore Royal Palace. Please put your hands together for all the wonderful work which the clubs have done. Lions Club of Bangalore Sadashiv Nagar, please be ready. Sadashiv Nagar. Lions Club of Bangalore Sadashiv Nagar with President Lion Dr. Lion Pradeep Kumar, Secretary Lion Pavitra Shetty, Treasurer Lion Savitri Venkataswamy. The club is bagging the silver award on the whole. Lions Club of Bangalore Sahaya Hasta. Lions Club of Bangalore Sahaya Hasta. President Lion M. Srinivas. Sahaya Hasta, everybody is there. President Lion M. Srinivas with gold award. Secretary Lion Penchal Rao with silver award. Treasurer Lion Vijay Kumar with silver award. For the blood donation, they have received the gold award, and the club on the whole is bagging the silver award. Lions Club of Bangalore Sanjay Nagar. Club Bangalore Sanjay Nagar with President Lion Naveen bagging the gold award. Secretary Lion Radha Krishna Rao with silver award. Treasurer Lion M. Gopinath with gold award. They have bagged gold award for their permanent project, and the club is bagging the gold award on the whole. Huge round of applause to Lions Club of Bangalore Sanjay Nagar.
Dear friends, there is a car obstructing on the main gate itself. Please, if you give the key, he will remove the car. KA01MK58. Or the one more car is there. KA04MM3275. Give the key to him, he will bring it back. The key will be returned. Thank you. Anybody here? Anybody?
I request the line Hiten Madar from Kumara Park. Hiten line. contribute towards our district director contribution, Shashi Industries.
Lions Club of Bangalore.
Player also.
Bangalore Seshadripuram. Lions Club of Bangalore Seshadripuram with President Lion Naveen Kumar bagging the Gold Award. Secretary Lion Donti Shubhakar with Silver Award. And the club is receiving the Extension Award. I kindly request Lion D. Nagaraja to please come forward to bag the Club Extension Award, Blood Donation Gold Award, and the club is bagging the Gold Award.
The anytime president, anywhere, anytime, 24/7 is available line. Thank you so much for your contribution to the organization.
Lions Club of Sidlagatta. Lions Club of Sidlagatta. President Lion Ajay Kirti bagging the Silver Award. Secretary Lion Mahesh with Silver Award. Treasurer Lion Mahesh Babu with Silver Award, and the club is bagging the Silver Award. I now call upon Lions Club of Bangalore Spandana Lioness. Lions Club of Bangalore Spandana Lioness with President Lion Nagamani bagging the Silver Award. Secretary Lion Mamta bagging the Silver Award. Treasurer Lion Shashikala Venkatesh with Silver Award. Scrapbook Silver Award. Blood Donation Camp Gold Award, and the club is bagging the Silver Award. A huge round of applause to Lions Club of Bangalore Spandana Lioness. I now request Lions Club of Bangalore Spurti Lioness to please be ready. Lions Club of Bangalore Spurti Lioness with President Lion Naveen Sridhar bagging the Silver Award, Secretary Lion Saubhagya Ishwaraya with Silver Award, Treasurer Lion Shashi Anand with Silver Award, and the club is bagging the Silver Award. Kindly request the members from Lions Club of Bangalore Spurti Lioness to please come forward and receive the awards. A huge round of applause. Lions Club of Bangalore Suraksha. Lions Club of Bangalore Suraksha, we have President Lion Varalakshmi with Silver Award, Secretary Lion Pavan with Silver Award, Treasurer Lion Jayashree Pavan with Silver Award, and the club is bagging the Silver Award. Lions Club of Bangalore Vidyaranyapura, please be ready. Lions Club of Bangalore Vidyaranyapura. We have President Lion Balram with Gold Award, Secretary Lion Sripada with Silver Award, Treasurer Lion Meera Prabhakar with Silver Award, Scrapbook Silver Award, Blood Donation Gold Award, and the club is bagging the Silver Award. Huge round of applause to Lions Club of Bangalore Vidyaranyapura. It's our first Vice District Governor's Home Club. A huge round of applause. Lions Club of Bangalore Vijayanagar. Lions Club of Bangalore Vijayanagar. President Lion Anupama, who's bagging the Gold Award. Secretary Lion Gangadhar Rao with Gold Award. Treasurer Lion Aruna Prakash with Silver Award. Scrapbook Silver Award. Blood Donation Camp Gold Award, and the club is bagging the Gold Award. That must be the spirit. Very hearty congratulations to Lions Club of Bangalore, Vijayanagar. Huge round of applause. Lions Club of Bangalore, Yelahanka. Lions Club of Bangalore, Yelahanka, we have President Line Anand Kumar bagging the Silver Award, Secretary Line Anjan Kumar, Silver Award, Treasurer Line Govind Raju with Silver Award, Scrapbook Silver Award, Permanent Project Gold Award, and the club is bagging the Silver Award. Kindly request our past district governor Satyanarayan Raju sir to please join.
Yelahanka, Anand called me, sir, 4 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಂತ. Started their day 1st of November, Rajyotsava day. It didn't stop till the end of the 30th of June. Wonderfully has been served for the society. Ramakrishna sir, please come here. Ramakrishna sir. Your award is here.
Huge round of applause to Lions Club of Yelahanka. The last club of this category, category 1, I call upon Lions Club of Bangalore Youthphoria. President Line P. Ravindran with Silver Award, Secretary Line Sujita Rajappan with Silver Award, Treasurer Line Vijay Lakshmi with Silver Award, and the club is bagging the Silver Award. Congratulations and thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Priya Ajit. Thank you, Ajit. And thank you to the wonderful team over here. Thanks for distributing on time. I think there is no confusion. And whatever is left out will be, see that it's collected by the club members. Next, we have a small entertainment program. I think Shalmili is there? Yeah. Yeah, it's your time, Shalmili. This girl, she's a doctor by profession. And she's a teacher, dance teacher. And also, she has classes for songs. Please come over here, Shalmini. And I saw a video of hers with a Western song, and I requested her to perform over here. And she is here today. And it's your time, Shalmini. God bless you. All the way. Okay. And this particular song is sung by Shalmili only. And it's all hers. Over to you, Shalmili. It's your time. Satish.
किसे पूछो है ऐसा क्यों बेजुबां सा ये जहां है खुशी के पल कहाँ ढूंढूं बेनिशान सा वक्त भी यहाँ है जाने कितने लबों पे गिले हैं जिंदगी से कई फासले हैं पसीजते हैं सपने क्यों आँखों में लकीर जब छूटे इन हाथों से ओ बेवजह जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से ओ टकरा गई के आ गई है लौट के सदा जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से ओ टकरा गई के आ गई है लौट के सदा नजर में न आए धड़कन ने कहा दिल छोड़ दिया कहाँ छोड़े इन जिस्मों ने साए यही बार बार सोचती हूँ तन्हा मैं यहाँ मेरे साथ साथ चल रहा है यादों का धुआं, जो भेजे थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा, जो भेजी थी दुआ वो जाके आसमां से यूं टकरा गई कि आ गई है लौट के सदा।
Thank you, Shalmili. And this girl, she's an all-rounder. Apart from her performance, as I said, she is the daughter of Dr. Savita, our Lions member. Where is she? Could you just stand up? I can't see. Oh, she is. Thank you for giving us such a wonderful program and a wonderful baby. And she has a non-profit organization called Smiley Childhood Cancer Foundation, and which she does service for this particular project. And she sings, and the fund collected will be going to that particular trust. Thank you, Shalmili. You'll be coming again and again. And the next part is awards to DC. And I request District Governor, IPDG, Manor Nambiar sir, I'm very sorry. IPDG, Deepak Suman, and Sindhu Suman, and Manor Nambiar sir, Dr. District Governor Manor Nambiar sir, is he here? Okay, I request Giridhar to come over to the stage, because, please come. Sindhu, Ajit, please come to the dais. And distribution of awards to DC read out by Narsimurthy sir and Ravi Chandran.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಸಿ ರೆಬೆಲೋ, DC ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್, LCB ಅನುಬಂಧ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ಶೋಭಾ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, DC ಟೀಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಶೋಭಾ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, GL ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್, DC ಲಿಯೋ. ಸಮಯ ಅಭಾವದಿಂದ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬಂದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವಿ. ಶೋಭಾ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, DC ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಯನ್ GL ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಯೋ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ, ಪಾಪ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಯನ್ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್. ಲಯನ್ ಮನೋಹರ್ ನಂಬಿಯಾರ್. ಲಯನ್ ಆಸ್ಕರ್ ಸಬಾಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ದಾಸ್, ಯೂತ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಲೀಡರ್, ಪೀಣ್ಯ ದಾಸರಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಯನ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿ ರಾಜ್ ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪ ದಾಸ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಯನ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿ ರಾಜ್ ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿರಿ ಲಯನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತ, ಆಂಟೋನಿ ರಾಜ್ ಚಿನ್ನಪ್ಪ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ CV ಗೀತಾ, DC ಫಾರ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ S ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ಐ ಡೊನೇಷನ್, LCB ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ್ ನಗರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ KY ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ, LCB ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೆನನ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ರೂರಲ್, ಕನಕನಗರ. ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೆನನ್. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ MN ರಾಜು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಎನ್ನೂರು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ನಗರ್. ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್. MS ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್. MS ಶಿವಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್, LCB ಎನ್ನೂರು ಅರವಿಂದ್ ನಗರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾಂತಿ ಸೂರಜ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಪವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ P ಮರ್ಗೂಬ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಸಾಬ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಸರ್ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಮರ್ಗೂಬ್ ಹುಸೇನ್ ಸಾಬ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀರಭದ್ರೇಗೌಡ ಸರ್, DC ಫಾರ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್. Sunil, DC for Cancer Care. ಹೌದಾ? ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಸ್ ಆಂಟೋನಿ ಜೋಸಫ್, DC for Intra-District Winning. Lion Shanti Vamshidhar Babu, DC for International Twinning. Dr. Lion Gangadhar Hiremath, DC for Artificial Limbs, Urban. Chandrakala Osmat, DC for Service for Orphanage, LCB North Lioness. V. Sunil, DC for Cancer Care. Joy MP, DC for Organ and Skin Donation. Joy, DC for Organ and Skin Donation. Next, Prakash TN, DC for Medicine Support. Prakash. Pinya Yeshwanthpurದವ್ರು ಯಾರ ಬಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಟಿ ಎನ್. Next, HK Jain, DC for Mega Health Camp, City Anand. Anybody from City Anand can collect, please. Next, C. Srinivasaya, DC for Mega Health Camp, LC Lions Club of Vaskote. Next, R. Ravi Kumar, DC for Mega Health, Lions Club of Chintamani. R. Shiv Kumar, DC for Mega Health, Chintamani. Prakash Shetty, DC for Constitution Bylaws, LCB Jaimahal. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ. ನಾಗರಾಜ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ನಾಗರಾಜಯ್ಯ, DC for Educational Activity, LCB ಆದರ್ಶ. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. KY ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ, DC for Eye Donation Rural, ಅವ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದಿಂದ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ. TB ನಾರಾಯಣ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, DC for Building Rest Rooms. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ತಗೋತಾರಂತೆ. R. ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್, DC for AIDS Awareness ಆದರ್ಶ. ಲಯನ್ ಶಂಕರೇಗೌಡ, DC for Cardiac Care, ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿಜಯನಗರ. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್. ಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಾಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಶಂಕರೇಗೌಡರ ಪರವಾಗಿ. ಹಂಗೆ ಡಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, DC for Lions Information. ಹಂಗೆ ಇರಿ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಪ್ರಸಾದ್. ಲಯನ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಪರ್ಚುರಿ, DC for Lions Alert, ಪೀಣ್ಯ ದಾಸರಳ್ಳಿ. ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಪೀಣ್ಯ ದಾಸರಳ್ಳಿ? ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಪರ್ಚುರಿ, Lions Alert. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, DC for Rain Water Harvesting, ಗೌರಿಬಿದನೂರು ಯಾರೋ ಬಂದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಯದೇವಯ್ಯ, DC for Human Rights, LCB ಅಕ್ಷಯ. ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿರಿ ಸರ್. ಬನ್ನಿ. ಜಯದೇವಯ್ಯ, DC for Human Rights, LCB ಅಕ್ಷಯ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಯನ್ ಕೆ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಮೂರ್ತಿ, DC for Senior Citizens, LCB ವಿಜಯನಗರ್. VR Sridharan, DC for Children's Park, NRI layout. Anybody? Next, Shantala Aradhya Math, ಇವರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಲೈನೆಸ್, ಲೀಗಲ್ ಏಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್. ಬನ್ನಿ. Next, Shantala Aradhya Mat, DC for Legal Aid and Awareness. Next, Dhanlakshmi Kumar. Madam, bani ready ಆಗಿರಿ. ready ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ KH ವೆಂಕಟಪ್ಪ DC ಫಾರ್ ವೊಕೇಶನಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್. ಧನಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಭಾಳ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗೋ ಥರ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. KH ವೆಂಕಟಪ್ಪ DC ಫಾರ್ ವೊಕೇಶನಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರವ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಂದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಶ್ಯಾಮಾ ಜಿಂದಾನಿ DC ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್. ವಾಣಿ ಬಿ ರಾವ್ DC ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಲಯನ್ ಥಾಮಸ್ ಎಂ ಜಾರ್ DC ಫಾರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ LCB ಪಿರಮಿಡ್. ಲಯನ್ ಶ್ರೀಕಾಂತ್ VK DC ಫಾರ್ COVID-19 LCB ಫೇಮ್. ನೋಡಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್, ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ.
Good evening. This is going to be the Gold Award for the district chairpersons. The first one is CM Narayana Swamy from Hebal for DC for Convention and Protocol. Dr. KN Prakash, DC for Kannada and Culture from Sanjay Nagar. Anybody from Sanjay Nagar can collect. Next one, DC for Media and Communication from Lions Club of Haskote, Dr. GS Manjunatha. DC for Environment from Lions Club of Doddaballapura, Dr. K. Somashekar. Sorry, DK Somashekar. Next one, DC for Environment, K. Srinivasan from Lions Club of North. Anybody come from North can collect. DC for Childhood Cancer, Urban, Arun Kiran, PMJF. Second century ambassador of our district. Lion P. Bhagya for Women Empowerment. LCB North Liners. Next, DC for Women Empowerment from Lions Club of Hebal, B.N. Devatha. She was instrumental in opening one more club, Sambrama. Next is DC for Kidney Care from Lions Club of Doddab. Dr. B.M. Ravi Naidu. DC for Statistics from Lions Club of Orchards, Devaraj. Next gold award to DC for Newsletter from Lions Club of Vanubanta, Malati V. Gopal. DC for Health and Alternate Medicine from LCB Metro, Dr. H.S. Padmaraju. Anybody from Metro can collect. Next is DC for Scrapbook from Lions Club of Sanjay Nagar, T. Narayanan. Lion T.S. Umashankar for DC Marketing and Image Building from Lions Club of Pinya Yashwantpur. The next gold award to DC for Sports from LCB Jai Mahal, Satish Kumar. Next one, the last one, not LOSC, LAST. DC for Inter-District Swimming from LCB Kanakanagar, KM Santosh Kumar. Anyone from Kanakanagar can connect.
Thank you. Get Ambassador Giridhar sir. Shalmili, is that? Okay. So we'll continue with the next part. So few awards have not been taken. Hoskote, Brigade, Sahayasta, Youthphoria, Adarsha, Chintamani and Srinigata can be collected over here if anybody is there. Hoskote collect money. The next part of the award ceremony, category 3. So this is awards will be presented by. So I request Bernard Shetty to take up the next category awards, and I request Satyanarayan Raju sir, please come out to the dais, please, and Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty sir, I request you to be with us. Over to Bernard Shetty.
Good evening, everyone. Indeed, a great honor and pleasure to read the great people who have done a great job. To start with, Zone Chairpersons Gold Award, line Gauri Krishna Raj from Spandana Lioness. Next line B.V. Ramanamurthy. Be ready, please. Next, Sushant Prushan from Kanakanagar. Sushant. Next, K.V. Prabhu Swami from Dodbalapu. P.V. Sudarshan from Anubandha. P.V. Sudarshan. Next, Leela Krishnan. Line G.N. Suraj from Gauri Bidnur. Anyone from Gauri Bidnur can come and collect it from here. Line S.S. Chandrasekhar. Line Dodatimaya. Line Arjun Rajkumar. Be ready, please. K. Manoj Kumar from Kodihalli. Zatsi Manoj Kumar. Judges Sharada Mulugum, Sharada, Lion Ravinder Singh Danjal. If it's not there, somebody from the club can pick it up from the table. Lion Shobha Srinivas. Manoj Kumar. Give him a big round of applause, please. Shobha Srinivas. And the last in Zatsi category award to C. Ramakrishnan, Yalanka. Next category of award for the region chairpersons, gold award goes to Lion Radha Krishna Egade, region 1. Next, gold award to MK Chandrabose. Golden award to region chairperson 3 Sundari Venkatachalam. Golden award to Lion K Srinivas Murthy from Hennur Aravind Nagar, region chairperson 4. Your region chairpersons, please give them a big round of applause. The last one in the gold category, Lion Ramanathan Narayan. Next we move on to GAT members. Request the GAT members to be ready. M. Vinesh, GLT team leader from LCB Cosmos. Kalpana Mohan, GLT team leader from LCB Yelahanka. R. Vijaya, GLT team member from LCB Birds Paradise. GFT team member, please be ready. B.R. Purushottam, Y.M. Pillappa from Maruti Sevanagar, Pankaja Veni. For Vijaya ma'am, she has received Global Action Team Appreciation Certificate. Give her a big round of applause. Purushottam, he also received GAT Appreciation Certificate. GST member S. Satish Kumar from Devanahalli. Priya Ajit, GST team member from Sarvagna Nagar. Thakur Amarendra Singh, GST team member from Pinya Dasarahalli. Dr. Amarinder Singh also received Global Action Team Appreciation Certificate. Give him a big round of applause. Request PDG G. Srinivasan sir to come to the stage to give the next category of award. For the Leo clubs, Leo Club of Bangalore, Aditya Nagar for blood donation award. Leo Club of Aditya Nagar. Leo Club of Bangalore, Kodihalli. Kodigehalli. Kodigehalli. Leo Club of Bangalore, Marga. Kodigehalli. Noel. Give space. Marga. Next, Sarvagnya Nagar. Leo Club of Bangalore, Sarvagnya Nagar. Marga, Leo, Navin, please give him a big round of applause. Being a person from rural, he is the guy who is mainly managing all the key activities and he has received a multiple district award. Give him a big round of applause, please. Leo Club of Bangalore, Sarvagnya Nagar. Next, Leo Club of Bangalore, Sundar Nagar. Give them a big round of applause. They are our young lions. They need your encouragement. From morning 9 they are here helping us in all the activities, all the arranging, everything. Thank you. Thank you, Silambarasan and so on. Sanjay Nagar, Lions Club of Bangalore, Sanjay Nagar. Next category we'll move on to Leo District Officers Awards. Swati, District President. Krishna Kumar, District Secretary. Sri Shah, District Treasurer. And Naveen G. Krishna, District Vice President. Next, special award for the singers, Dr. Shamili, D.S. Priyanka Pranam, Sundar, Tejasvi Gowda, Tejaswini Gowda, Suma Sunil, MPC Venkatesh. Thank you. With this we close this category.
Thank you. Thank you, Bernard Chetty. Thank you, Satyanarayana Raju, sir. Thank you, Dr. Chandrasekhar Shetty, sir, and our past district governor, Srinivas, sir. Now we have 2 categories left, that's it. And I think now the governor will distribute the certificates over there. Right. Yeah, Ajit is your turn.
International President's Appreciation Certificate. The first certificate goes to D.N. Venkat Narsimlu, Zone Chairperson. Please give a big round of applause. International President's Certificate. Lion R.S. Manjunath, President Dodbalapur. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. Lion P.M. Shivaprasad, President LCB Jayamahal. Lion A. Vijay Kumar, LCIF Coordinator. Lion V.K. Rajesh, GLT Coordinator. I request our International Director, Lion Vamshidhar Babu sir, to please come to the dais. Lion B.S. Nagaraj. Lion B.S. Nagaraj. Lion Dodda Timmaya, Zone Chairperson. Lion Raju Chandrasekhar, Public Relation Officer. Lion Bernard R. Chetty, District Governor's Coordinator. Lion G. Venkatesh, District Governor Coordinator and Vision Coordinator. Please give a big round of applause. This is the International President's Appreciation Certificate. Lion N.R. Hegde, DC for Culture and Kannada and Culture. Lion N.R. Hegde. G.K. Usha Kumari, Lions Quest Coordinator. Vijay Kumar, you didn't come and collect your certificate, LCF Coordinator. Lion P. Venugopal, Relieving Hunger Coordinator. Lion H.K. Ramanjini, Relieving Hunger Team Member. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. This is one of the best category of awards, International President's Certificate. Lion Nagaraj Shetty, Hunger Relieving Team Member. Akash A. Suvarna, DC for Blood Donation. Lion Kalyani Ganapati, DC for Diabetic Urban. KM Santosh Kumar, DC for Inter-District Twinning. Lion Dr. B.M. Ravi Naidu, DC for Kidney Care. Lion M. Devraj, DC for Statistics. Line M. Devraj, DC for Statistics. Line Vilas Hegde, DC for Peace Poster. Line Chinnappa Thomas, DC for Dental Camps. Line Chinnappa Thomas. Please give a big round of applause. International President's Certificate. He is the DC for Specialty Clubs also. Line T. Narayan, DC for Scrapbook. Line T.S. Umashankar, DC for Marketing and Image Building. Line Dr. S. Anthony Joseph, DC for Intra-District Twinning. Line Anthony Joseph, DC for Intra-District Twinning. Line G. Satish Kumar, DC for Sports. Line G. Venkatesh, you have a certificate from 1920 also, that is yet to be given. Given by Line B.S. Ravindra. Line C.V. Geeta, 1920 certificate. Line C.V. Geeta. Line B. Mohan, multiple GLT chairperson, PDG.